No, it's only what's it called, actors for a movie. Then they use makeup to cover their imperfections. The ones we get bumps and whatever, whatever. Now only gay men and transgender and they use makeup.
Is gay illegal in Denmark?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
New music from Street77.com. He can give and take away, but every day na forgive away. Papa say make a day happy, make a day happy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Have you missed me? Okay, so today we're going to be doing this makeup the way I'm looking right now. Yes, you're going to see how I created this simple look, and I kid you not, this look will take you between 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Okay, so yeah, wait and you see how I created this look, and please let me know if there's anything special you would like to see. If you have any looks that you've been struggling with and you don't know how to go about it, just let me know. Comment on the comment section and I'll get back to you. And what else? Yes, if you've not subscribed, subscribe. If you've not liked it, liked it. If you've not shared, when you're done watching this, please share. Thank you for coming in. Bye for now. See you like in a bit. Okay, bye.
Okay, guys, so let's do this with my real voice. So right now, I'm just drawing my brows with a random brown pencil. And I'm going to draw both brows first, and then I'm going to clean up with concealer. This concealer is Revolution, Hydrate and Conceal. I'm going to write it on the description box. So I'm going to use this shade. I think it's C7. It's lighter than my skin tone because I'm using it as eyeshadow base, and I also want my color to pop. So I'm going to use that real quick. And then at the top brow, I'm using my foundation, yeah, which I just showed you there. That's Black Opal in the color Truly Topaz is the foundation stick. I also have it as a liquid foundation as well, which I'll be using later. So right now I'm just showing you how I clean up my brows. You want your brows to look like two identical twins, or one identical twin. Is that what it's called? Anyways, so if you can't make them identical, you definitely need them to look like two beautiful sisters, because if they look like two beautiful sisters, no one will notice that they are not the same. So now I'm coming in with my Maybelline I think it's a Superspray matte ink lipstick, and yeah, we're just gonna blend that in. And I'm gonna be using the brown from this Saharan Volume 2 from Juvia. I'm gonna be putting it on top, and then for some reason it became kind of neutral orange. That was not the plan, but we'll go with that. So I'm finished blending, and now time for the foundation. I'm using the liquid form, still Black Opal, and the same color, Truly Topaz. So I'm just mixing that, blending that into my skin with my brush. This brush, I think I bought it from Primark in the UK, and we don't have Primark in Denmark, so, and I love Primark. So we're just blending, and right now I'm going to be highlighting with LA Girl concealer, and this is the color medium beige. I'm just going to be highlighting under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, you know, doing that real quick. And by the way, we've started contouring, right? This is the contour process. So we're snatching that face. Sorry about my lightning. Like sometimes when I'm recording, it's like the lighting is perfect, and sometimes all of a sudden it's like it's too much, and then I don't know. So now we're just going to set that with my loose powder, and this loose powder I'm using today is from Maybelline, and it's in the color 30, medium deep, sorry. Yeah, and it's in the color 30, and it's like my favorite. I'm going to contour with liquid first, and then I'm going to set it with powder, just like I did with my highlighting. So right now I'm using a dark shade in what's it called, Elegant concealer, and then I'm just blending it the contour area, which is side of my head, my cheek, nose, you know. I want my nose to be pointed, so yes, we're gonna do the nose as well. So blend, and I always say that when I do makeup, it's so messy. Like, it starts to be messy, and then before you know it, boom, then it looks gorgeous, like when you're baking a cake or something. I don't know, I don't bake, something like that, you know what I mean. So we're still blending the ish, and then now we need dry powder on top of that liquid, right? Because we don't want it creasing and stuff. And you could actually contour with just powder, but using liquid and powder helps it stay. You know, it stays one place. If you have powder, I believe it shifts a little after a couple of hours, but when you do it this way, it stays there. And by the way, when I was doing this video, I was in a hurry, so I forgot to prime my face. Please guys, remember to prime your face to protect yourself, protect your skin, and also for a flawless makeup, because this was flawless, but when I went out and came back in, I could see I was creasing a little, and I could just see the difference between using primer and not using primer. So just, you want to use primer. So now we're going for the lashes. So I'm just going to put a very thin line here, because this is what I use. This is my trick or my hack when it comes to using lashes. Like, I find it so much easier when I line my eyes first, because then they sit well on the line instead of my eyeshadow, you know. So I'm just gonna do that. Yeah, and now it's time to line them lips. This is my selling point, as I call it. So we're gonna line that lips with MAC lip liner, and this color is called Chestnut. And in my other videos I said it was creamy, but I'm just gonna how do you call it, exclaim. It's not really creamy, but it was creamy because my lips were already moist. So yeah, that's why. So now we're just gonna have this eyeshadow on it as well. I used the pink color, and the pink color from the same palette I used for my eyes. So we're just gonna mattify that. Yeah, and now it's time for the liner.
You know, I don't know. I used to be a guy that I don't notice makeup on female. I don't even notice it. There is, and I don't know why. If I'm the only one, there are stuff that women pay attention to on themselves that me I don't notice. First of all, the hair, like
Okay.
like say the hair is yeah, I can compliment hair, but not is usually not the first thing I noticed, right? And the makeup, oh, the makeup look good. I don't even know the difference between making up and not making up.
So now I'm done with the look, and I'm just smiling because my friend was like telling me how popping I was looking. So what am I doing now? I'm setting my hair, my wig, and now time to spray the face, and I'll tell you why.
What's that made for?
It sets everything together and make everything intertwine. No harsh lines. and stuff like that. It just sets it better, so you don't have this powdery look. Where's my fan brush? Okay, I'll just use this one. And then I use this, and then we gotta do this highlighting of a thing. I'm not really a fan, but I'm just doing it because if you don't do it, people will be expecting it, because people like it. But I like highlighting on dark skin people. See that? You want to blind your ex with that shit. The cheekbones, your nose, top of your brows, if you just want it to pop down here, and voila, we're good to go.